Assalamu alaikum viewers.
And then you say yours too.
Yeah,
Say yours
this is the
first.
story for the lady store,
You say
Miss
you love
Maria. So please talk, Maria.
Hi, this is the lady store, Maria, 756 North Main Street, Norwich, Connecticut. I have all kind tires. I sell it new use, and if you want anything, antique, furniture, whatever, I got most everything, a little bit everything. And those stuff like furniture go for very cheap, like $15, $20, $30. But because I gotta clean up to do just the tires. So if you look for anything in particular, you can call 860-574-0055. Maria. This is the stuff I got so far, but I don't want to show everything because it's all mess. I got to go through it. I do a lot of work by myself. I don't have nobody to help because I don't make a lot of money. So if you're interested in anything, let me know. Especially like I said, furniture go for like almost free. And I got a little bit of everything. So please let me know or come by. I'm in the front Dunkin' Donut, North Main Street in Norwich, Connecticut. Thank you.
And this is for my friend helping him to marketing. Is free for marketing. Thanks to help her because she's so nice lady. She's so helpful too.
Indian language.
সে খুব সাহায্যকারী, সে খুব হেল্পফুল। তোমরা যারা তার কাছে আসবে সে অনেক কম খরচে এটি করে দিবে, কাজটি বিক্রি করবে। নতুন পুরাতন সব ইউজটার তার কাছে আছে। তো থ্যাংক ইউ সুধী, ভালো থাকবেন, সঙ্গে থাকবেন, আমাদের চ্যানেলকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। আল্লাহ হাফেজ, বাই।